All right, welcome to this new me, a hardware guy switching from hardware to software. I'm not running away. It's just a new start, a journey. That's what it's all about on this channel. My journey switching from hardware to software. So why? Please stick to the end of this video. I'm going to tell you why I'm switching from hardware to software. But I'm going to share a little bit about my background story. I dropped out of my engineering study at my fourth year last semester. I would not recommend anyone to do that because it was just a few months to go. But that burning passion for the solution I was working on, that actually it was one of the reasons why I dropped out. So what is that solution that I was working on? It's a hardware device that during my academic study, I started working on. By God's grace, I had this, let me say, this enlightenment on this problem that we have in our community. We mostly consume gas through cylinder, different from other parts in the world where gas is consumed through gas is delivered to household through pipe. So us here household, we consume gas through cylinder, but we have this issue with cylinder that you can't actually know how much gas is left in the cylinder, and you can easily run out of gas. So that is a problem that I was working on to solve during my academic study. So by the end of my academic study, I have various prototypes, and I wanted to continue as a startup. So from 2019 to 2024, today, I've been working on that hardware startup. Today we have a MVP, but I have not yet succeeded to start selling it. I had experience before on selling hardware products, different from what I've been working. This one has been a little bit more challenging for me. I'm not dropping out from it, but instead I'm looking a different way to actually launch it. So back to 2019, I wanted to launch a online business, mostly about affiliate marketing. I had someone that I know that was really successful on affiliate marketing. So the guy was to mentor me, and I was to have this affiliate marketing as a side business, having my hardware startup. So earning money on online and investing on my physical business that is a hardware startup. And hardware is really kind of expensive. Though we have like a kind of new method to be launching your hardware easily. But at the beginning, I didn't know much about hardware product development. I learned hardware product development on my way. So it was kind of challenging. So why am I talking about this this affiliate marketing stuff back to 2019? Is one of the reasons why I'm starting over. Because on 2019, that idea that I have was actually good. Like online business don't really require much physical investment, like buying machines, 3D printing, buying filaments, buying electronic components. So you can easily, if you are successful, you can easily have a stable income and now invest that income to physical business like a hardware startup that really have a starting cost that is higher compared to software stuff. So the guy that who wanted to train me on affiliate marketing is now very successful in terms of online business, SaaS solution, and also physical business. So he guys succeeded to take money from online businesses and invest it in physical business. And while the online business is growing, the physical business is starting and growing as well. So that was my plan on 2019, but I could not continue with that plan. Why I didn't continue on 2019 on that way, I gave up because I faced a challenge on the way. We had the challenge with my payment card. and my various payment card was rejected. I got frustrated and I gave up. Later on, the guy told me that if I didn't give up back to that time, I could have been very successful now. So why am I switching? I want to launch online businesses, SaaS solution mainly, develop SaaS solutions that solve problem, maybe for digital marketer, for content creators, for course creator. I have some few ideas I'm going to talk about it at the end. But why now? Why am I switching now? Why I didn't switch out 2 years ago? You have to know that on my hardware startup, I was mainly focusing about developing the hardware. I had other people taking care of the software. And software guy are not kind of really sometimes easy. Uh, like depending on their schedule, how they are available, it was not sometimes easy. So the solution, the mobile app, and the monitoring dashboard has taken a lot of time to be developed. So I had to rely on them to be developing the solution. The AI. AI has made it possible for people like us that does not know how to code. I know how to code hardware, but I don't know how to code software. Software like building, coding mobile website. I can build a website using this drag and drop builder. So I have built the hardware startups website myself using drag and drop, using website builder. Also my personal website about my training masterclass on product design. I built it myself, but I don't know how to code. Coding a mobile app, coding a software as service solution. I could not do it, but today, what I have been seeing people doing with AI lately has actually triggered me to start this journey of building SaaS solution. What kind of solution I'll be working on? I know some of you may be thinking that is it a good idea? I think you may never know if it's a good or a bad idea if you don't start the execution. It's not about the idea, it's about the execution. So on this channel, I'll be sharing about a journey of executing various ideas that I'm going to have of SaaS that I'm going to build using AI tools. It might also inspire you maybe to start your own journey, or maybe the tools that I'm going to be building might also help you on your own journey. What kind of solution I'll be working on? You have to know that I also like content creation. I had another side business where I've been selling customized products like laser made product that I've been selling. And during that time, I discovered something with the customers that sometimes they don't know what they are looking for, and it's sometimes difficult for them to go inside your catalog, their product catalog, and search what they need. So sometimes they want to take your time so that you actually find what they actually want, understand their need, and recommend them that this product is actually what you are looking for. But it's not actually easy to do it with each customer that is coming to you. Just imagine you have a Facebook ad running on, and you have like that, like hundreds of people that you have to take time to talk with them. So I know there are AI chatbot today that can do those kind of stuff, but I don't want to do it that way. So this is my first idea that I want to implement. So the first idea is to build an AI recommendation product for platform like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy, or maybe various Shopify store. So it's like people come to the platform, they interact with the AI. The AI is talking with them like human style. I understand what they are looking for. Like for example, I want to offer a gift to my husband that is turning 40, or I want to offer a gift to my mother for Christmas. And my mother loves this kind of things, and I usually give her this, and she likes this kind of stuff. And my budget is this. So imagine you have to go to Amazon.com and have to find search for a product for your mother. It can really take time, and it can be really be challenging. And uh, Amazon is a big platform with many product, many you have many product recommendation, and it's not sometimes easy to find what you are looking for. You are going to make something that can ease the search of products that you're actually looking for. So you are going to interact with the AI. The AI will understand your need, and the AI will recommend you the various product that we have found in Amazon database, for example. And how you're going to maybe monetize it, mainly maybe through affiliate marketing at the start, like using Amazon affiliate program. uh, so that's one of the platforms that I want to start with. Also, I've been using mostly AI tools like bot.io, Lovable, make.com. So I've been sharing this journey with you, how I'm going to make them. Also, if you can learn something from it, maybe inspire you, or maybe at the end, maybe you can also use the tool. There are various other tools that I want to build according to my experience with consumers and customers for the past 5 years. I have some ideas that I want to implement now that is possible with these AI tools that can help you to build a website from scratch. So I'm kind of let me say excited about this new journey. So let's keep in mind that it's mainly about to have a stable online business, so that that online business can help me to invest back on things that are physical, like hardware startup, because hardware is really great. Because one thing with hardware is that you're actually building something that is physical, people can interact with it, people like, is there's a kind of link between you and the people through your hardware product, and that link is unbelievable. I had that experience on meeting with people that are using some of my product, and that experience is on. I can't really describe it. It's really good. It's really nice how people are happy using their physical product. I don't know about software, but I think I'll have that feeling as well. So, guys, thank you for listening to this video to this level. uh let's see about part 2 of this video. So I think the next part of the video I'm going to be sharing what I've been learning about these new AI tools, Lovable, ball.new, which one I'm going to choose to develop my first SaaS solution. And I'm going to share the process of implementing this SaaS software as service solution with you. Maybe you can learn something, and also maybe use those tools, and also maybe inspire you to start your own journey. So thank you guys, and see you on the next video.